My name is Valerie Lockhart, and I'm the Executive Director at Code Savvy. We're a nonprofit focused on inclusive computer science education. Our mission is to interrupt and counteract existing gaps in computing by equipping youth and teachers with the skills and knowledge that they need to create with technology. One way we do that is through our Technovation program. It's a 12-week app development program for girls and non-binary students. Through those 12 weeks, they learn entrepreneurship, programming, design, and persuasion skills. They identify a community need and they solve it using either a mobile app or AI technology. We provide guidance through mentoring and events that bring our community together. We are always looking for mentors, judges, and sponsors.
So I'm Sophia Morrow, and I've been doing Technovation since the beginning of this year.
Okay. So this is your first year in the program.
Yeah.
Awesome. What got you interested or inspired you to get involved with Technovation?
So I actually heard about it through my friend Neha, and she's also one of our team members.
Okay. What are some of the challenges that you've experienced this season so far, and how have you overcome them?
So I think a lot of it had to do with just as a high school student, I have so many other things going on, like midterms and tests. So really finding that balance between putting in time to this extra project and then focusing on my academics.
Okay. Do you feel like you've gotten some benefits out of it already though? Has it been worth the making the extra effort?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, good. What are some words of advice that you might give to other students who might be interested in participating?
I think that if you're really good with managing your time and you have an interest for the subject, you can always try. There's no penalty or there's nothing you pay that if you don't decide you like it, that will happen. So I think it's worth the investment.
Okay, and lastly, what has been your favorite part so far? Like, what have you enjoyed the most out of the program?
I think just working in the field and learning how to work with the team are all very like real future life skills you need to learn, and I think they've helped me a lot.
Cool. Can I ask what kind of role you're playing on your team this season?
Yeah. So, I'm one of the co-founders of our team, and I'm in charge of our business plan mostly.
Okay, awesome. Well, thank you so much for being a part of the Technovation program and also for talking with me today. I really appreciate it.